Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, so just like the prediction is going on, we got Bitcoin that really came down to this line 1, 2, 3, 4. So this support has been really good. It has been incredibly good. Now if you want to trade, you can put a stop loss here, in my opinion. The reason being is on the 1 hour time frame, you're breaking out of this level. I'm going to show you on the 1 hour time frame right there, and you have Bitcoin that was putting in this resistance, which is broken now. So you do have Bitcoin making that little bit of a sideways movement right there. So it does look like if it does come down here, you can enter and put a stop loss right over there. Now let's say this one is going to be almost like very low risk, in my opinion. You can we can say that 1.9%, not a very big risk. I mean, it's recommended to always risk like 1.9 is not a big deal. And you have an opportunity of nearly 5%. So we're talking about scalping here, okay? So if you have like a lot of money, let's say you're trading in thousands of dollars, 5% is a lot. That's pretty big. Let's say even if you have $30,000 to trade and you're putting in 5%, how much is that going to be? You're going to get like $1,500 out of it, in my opinion, which is pretty big. $1,500 is a lot. So from here, let's see if you can do something like this and finally just move sideways and pump above and go up to this technical target and then continue up to that technical target as well. Bitcoin is still on a sideways movement. That's all we're looking at for the past few days. But I still believe that Bitcoin is breaking above here. So you have this resistance, that resistance right there, and you've finally broken above it. And all you're doing is still holding it as a support, and you're just trying to get as much stop losses as you can. Now notice one more thing on the daily is that you did have this inverted hammer. Now that's the thing, okay? There's one thing I want to address here very quickly before we close the video, and that is, you see, yesterday when you made this inverted hammer, right, you started the day with a red candle today, and then all of a sudden now you are in a green candle department. If you end up closing at 30,243, you're going to have this as your morning star as well. Now the thing is, that's what I'm expecting on the weekly time frame as well. So if that happened on the daily, I've told you about this inverted hammer on the weekly time frame. Yes, you started red, but in the next 3 days it seems like you're going to end up ending up green, just like we did on the daily time frame. And the private channel is opened up. Here's how you can join. And I've been able to give you Pepe 2 call for a 41% up in July. I've been able to actually earn a 20% from SDEX as well. I've given you ideas that Pepe 2 is actually going to go to the downside, and Pepe 2 actually went down. Not only that, but we had Vinu that pumped 33%, Bone that actually went 11%. So we're still earning in a bear market. Even though it's a bear market, we're earning. How do we do that? That's up on me. That's my research. But the truth is a lot of people don't know how to research a coin when it comes down to trading and stuff like that. But I can actually do something where you can actually even get up to 30% per month through my skills and my knowledge, and that is through my private channel as well. I do open up the private channel on the 20th of every month, and it closes at the end of the month. If you join on the 20th, you get the whole 10 days for free, and your time actually starts from the beginning of the next month. And simply all you have to do is to go in one of my videos and you're going to see Twitter or Discord. So if you cannot join Discord for some reason, if it's closed, just message me on Twitter to join the Signal group. Well, that's just all. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to get your messages in there. That's it. Bye.